we go.
Sounds like it.
Grand finale, Independence Day 2014. They even spelled out in letters earlier the word Carson City. It was pretty cool. Now those are awesome fireworks. Wow. Pretty.
Oh, there's some one off over here. You see it?
Near us? Oh, there's a big one, yeah.
Little flower.
Wow. They do different drawings and shapes and circles within circles. Whoa, that's beautiful. Is that Saturn they just did? That was Saturn, wasn't it? Yeah. It had the rings around it and the ball, like they did a couple of the planets. They're doing different shapes. They're like integrating Carson City and the solar system, and it's pretty cool. Whoa.
Fireworks going off at the church.
You guys don't see that white dog, little one?
Yeah, it ran that way, and it went
Around the corner.
around the corner to the left.
Can I block your fireworks in case that guy's taking photos and video?
It's a little late on that one. The dog's like miles away by now.
Fucking car pulls in front of me. They should have been looking earlier, shouldn't they? How do you know your dog's? I mean, like an hour later, you know it's gone. You know.
And look, there it is.
Hey, there it is. Hey, Like, I know he's looking for me.
Dude, I ain't going to get someone's dog. I don't want to get my hand bit off.
Oh, that's hilarious. They're like a little.
Oops, yeah.
Look at, he's right there. White people.
Yeah, it might not be a nice doggy. It might be freaked out right now too.
If it's scared, you need to stay away from that dog. I'm telling you, you get your hand bit. That wasn't a bad grand finale. Oh. You always think it's a grand finale and they do more, right? They're like, oh, we'll just take a break.
Yeah.
Remember that guy that gave me the bubbles, our neighbor?
Mhm.
He passed us by. He was going that way, and he said hi.
Oh.
It wasn't me.
Some neighbors giving her stuff. I know. See? Take a chair, Tad.
You
I
can
brought
use.
some mop spray too, but I left it on the table.
Whoa.
There's the booms.
You give me a kiss?
Chase your dogs around all night.
I can't chase someone's dog. He pulled in front of me and blocked one of the gold fireworks. I was like, ugh. I was like, man, could I just pull to the side a little further?
The dog's right behind him.
That's what I'm saying. The dog's right here, and sorry, bro. You know,
Chasing them in circles.
going around the block, keep missing him. Wow, look how many. I've never seen fireworks like those that last like that. Just glittering. And then the letters were amazing too.
I'm sure they got people working on these like all year.
They must. To spell out Carson City, man, that's high tech. To get the letters that you want it to do and how the colors and all that. Looks like comets. Looks like the apocalypse. Those ones. Like 1 million meteorites or asteroids are hitting the Earth. Wow. Gorgeous. I didn't know Carson City does such a good display. I guess for the state capitol they would, huh?
I heard the ones in Tahoe aren't too bad.
Yeah, I'd like to go see the ones in Tahoe. I've been wanting to do that. But I think I'd put it on a tripod and film the whole show. Well, that was cool. Stars, circles, circles within. Starfish, yeah.
There's some more off on
There we go. That's the grand finale.
there. Higher, get higher. Too low though.
It's low, yeah. Oh, yeah. Very low. Just above the tree line. Look. Some right over the trees. Holy. Yeah, those are way too low. That may not be done on purpose, you know. Sometimes they don't take high enough off. Wow. Happy Independence Day. This is Lord Rick. All my friends, this is the grand finale. Beautiful, beautiful. I can't even see the ones behind the trees. They're all popping around the trees. It's like, hope they don't burn Carson City down. But it's pretty.